It was heartbreaking to see her so afraid.
Are you sure it's not a birth defect?
We found Quincy outside this tea shop on her own. This man who was keeping an eye out for the cats noticed that there were some boys roughhousing with a kitten. You can see that her legs definitely don't look right. So whatever had been done to her was pretty invasive. We knew that she needed help or she wasn't going to survive. We found out that her legs were broken in several places. She didn't want anything to do with humans. The only thing we were able to do to get her to come out of her shell like a little bit was give her creamy treats. I think the fact that she did let us pet her was a big sign of hope that maybe if we find the right person, somebody who has like a lot of patience, she would be suitable for adoption. We were a bit worried who was going to apply to adopt this cat. We got an application from this lady, Natalie.
I wanted the cat that has never been asked about, never been looked at, was never going to get home unless we took her. When we first picked her up, she hissed, but she'd also just had a 7-hour flight. She come home, she was exploring, she just opened up straight away. We had another cat called Stephen. He was a rescue and he was amazing. And she just fell in love with him and he looked after her. She really came out of her shell with Stephen. We lost Stephen last month. And the strange thing is, Quincy's looked after me since we've lost him. She's attached to me and she's almost protected me the way he protected her. She follows me around the house everywhere. She's super loving. All she needed was Stephen and time. I always believe that everything happens for a reason, and I honestly believe that she was meant to end up with us.
Quincy.
It's sad that she had to go through what she went through to end up here, but we are so blessed to have her. She is my heart. She plays in the garden. She can climb onto the bed, she can climb onto chairs, she can run up the stairs faster than anyone I know. She's so resilient. So many cats that are just left on the shelf because people see them as there's no hope, and there's always hope. I'm just really, really grateful that we got the opportunity to give her a forever home. Everyone else's loss was definitely our gain with Quincy.